Hey, I'm James with P&W Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today I'm talking about my new 511 Rush 2.0 backpack. So I got this in the black finish. And for those who are curious, I have reviewed the Rush 24 and the Rush 72 in the past. So I'll leave a link to those videos if you're curious about those backpacks. That'll be in the description down below. And also in just a few minutes, I'll actually show you size comparison, the Rush 12 to the 24 and the 72. So I'll, like I said, bring those up here in just a few. But right now, talking about this guy. So as you can see, tons of MOLLE strapping. That's the one thing I really appreciate about the 511 Rush backpacks is you can set these up any way you want to. They, you know, really the possibilities are kind of endless. But you got the MOLLE strapping all over the face, both sides, and also you got some underneath as well. So, I mean, whatever pouches or bags you want to attach to this, you can do it. The Rush 12, again, is a 24-liter backpack. And with some of the updates, the 2.0, which this is, one of the big things between the primary compartment and like the admin pouch on the front, right in the between them, pull back the Velcro, and this is their concealed carry pouch or pocket. And on the inside, there's some Velcro on the inside of the pocket. So if you have one of those holsters with some Velcro on it as well, you can position your concealed carry that's most convenient for you. If that's how you prefer to carry is off the body, this is a really good option for that. So, and of course, we got some Velcro so you can put, well, any patches or name patches you got, and you can customize it any way you want to. Yeah, okay, we'll go into it. So at the very top, you have the Sunglass Pouch, which also for the 2.0, they've updated it to make it larger. It's all fleece lined on the inside as well. So it does, if you don't have a case or something, I mean, it'll, obviously you won't scratch your sunglasses. You just got a nice, simple pocket. There's no dividers or any other pocket, it's just simply just a straight pocket. You unbuckle these two side buckles here, and then we can get into the main compartment where they've added also a new feature to the 2.0s. Boom, opens nicely. But you have a padded laptop compartment. So it carries up to a 15-inch laptop. But like I said, it is padded on both sides, so this will protect your laptop somewhat, you know, if you accidentally drop it or something. It adds a level of protection. And just on the flip side here, you can see you just got some nice pockets, you know, just for more organization. All right, so now open up the admin pouch, which I always like how they set these up because, again, it's like you can just throw so much stuff in there. Oh, I still got that. But you can organize whatever you may have. I mean, it's just tons of little pockets and pouches, and yeah, and same thing, you got a couple more just little pockets and stuff on the other side. So tons of storage, tons of ways, you know, for such a smaller backpack, so you can cram a lot of gear and keep it nice and organized. All right, so I'll show you the size comparables here. So again, Rush 12. This, oh my gosh, is my Rush 24. I'm gonna be hidden out of camera here. So this is my range bag. This is what I use for, like I said, going to the range. It's just loaded with all my range gear. So not really a fair comparison because this one's stuffed to the max, but as you can see, hopefully you can see that size comparable here, a little bit bigger. And then let's see if I can fit this guy on the table. Oh, also stuffed with so much stuff. But this is the Rush 72. This is just their first gen in a multi-cam. But yeah, I mean, you can see here, big size difference between the two. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, their backpacks are pretty similar in all the Rush series. Just obviously each size goes up, it's a little more storage space, right? But yeah, great backpack, and it's made from the 1050D nylon, so it is water repellent as well. It's not waterproof, but it's still, at least if you're caught out in the elements, it adds that little bit extra level of protection for you. But other than that, they range about like $100. That's how much I paid for this one anyhow. Yeah, I think that sums it up, guys. That's pretty simple. I'll have, if you got any questions, please ask me. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Just please leave it in the comments down below. And like I said, I definitely will get back to you. But yeah, guys, that kind of sums up the review and just kind of showing you my new backpack. So thank you guys for watching. Truly appreciate the support you guys show the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.